You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very confusing name if you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, including from medicine. Make sure to stay tuned then if you want to learn the full name. Pronounce Gynae is how it's pronounced. That's the standard correct English pronunciation. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. This is short for gynecology or gynae. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.